Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. On this video, I'll be sharing with you another simple recipe of how to make Indomie instant noodles at home, this time round using veggies. So guys, I started off by boiling some water that I'm going to be boiling the noodles in, and here is the noodles type that I will be using. Just go ahead and add them in and allow that to boil for exactly 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, the noodles will be ready. Just drain off the excess water and then add some cooking oil to the cooked noodles like you see here, and then you're just going to give that a proper mix. And I realized that doing this ensures that the noodles do not stick to one another. Now go ahead and fry some onions like you see on the video, and also I added some salt to the onions just to allow them to cook faster. And notice that I did not cook the onions to be golden brown. Then go ahead and add tomatoes. And you need to allow the tomatoes to cook fully like you see on the video. Just keep checking and stirring, and after the tomatoes are ready, I added carrots and peas. And the peas were pre-cooked but the carrots were not, so I had to add them together just to ensure that the carrots soften a little bit. And you're going to allow this to cook for some few minutes just to soften the carrots. And guys, at this point you can add any spices that you prefer. Next, I went ahead and added the colored bell peppers. I used the red, the yellow and the green ones. And if you love bell peppers like I do, you're going to love this mix. Just give that a proper mix, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. And the colors, oh my god. Next, I went ahead and added bumbu sauce. And we're going to give this a good stir. I don't like adding many spices to my noodles, just to maintain that natural taste. So I like to use the provided sauce that comes with the noodles. And I don't like to overcook my bell peppers, so I just cook them for a minute or two like you see here, giving that a good stir. And then later I went ahead and added the boiled noodles. You can see the noodles are not sticking to each other, and you're going to give that a proper mix, ensuring that everything comes together nicely. Oh my god guys, these noodles are so good. I would make them every single day if I had the chance to. I went ahead and added some soy sauce. You do not have to, I just add the soy sauce for color and taste. So you're going to give everything a proper mix like you see here for approximately 1 minute, and everything will be ready. Guys, this noodles recipe I believe is something that everyone should try. I love the noodles so much. They were so good, so delicious guys, and like you've seen, so easy to make. So I hope you like this recipe and I hope you give it a trial. Be sure to watch another video on this channel.